Fixationists, welcome back. Stephanie here. I'm happy to see you. It's been a while since we did a video, and this is my first time doing a video in the new room. So please forgive me if everything is in and out of focus. I promise I'll figure it out. Today I want to talk to you a little bit more about stamping on stainless steel. I feel like this is a topic that people have been asking so much about, and I did do a video, and I don't know where I'm going to try and link that, but I did do a video called Stainless Steel. I'd hit that. Check that out, and then I'm going to try and follow up today with an additional video talking a little bit more about lighting and stamping posts. So I have a few little adorable graphics that I learned how to do on my video editing program, and hopefully it'll explain the physics or science of things. And I don't even know if I used the correct law to explain how this whole force and I don't even know, science works. But hopefully it'll make a little bit more sense. So put your hair up, come on, join me at the stamping block, and let's get started. So as you can see, when you hammer over a table that has no base, the force is being distributed across the table, not directly down. And when you hammer over a table leg, the force goes down, but it also goes across the table, so you're losing force. Ideally, you want to use a post so that the force that you apply is directly sent to the floor and you get the best impression. Okay, so as you can see, when you apply downward force, the force for the best impression wants to go straight down. You have the force being applied up by the blank, and then you have the force being applied down by the hammer, and if you distribute that force side to side, you're not going to get that amazing impression in stainless steel that you're looking for. So that's why I recommend, I feel like I'm doing excessive hand motions. I don't know what to do with my hands. Let's talk about lighting real quick. This light I got at, where did I get it? Woodcraft several years ago. So I don't even know if they have it, but I think the important thing to note with this light is that it moves. So, well, now it moves. I'm able to put this light wherever I want, and it is able to focus the light exactly at the right angle so that I'm able to get the light exactly where I am looking at my stamp. As I've talked about before, you want to stamp looking at the reflection of the stamp in the stainless steel. So that lighting is really super important. If your light is too low, you're not getting it where the stamp is. You want to see the perfect reflection of the stamp in the steel. Let's see, what else? Hammers. This is the mallet I use, and when you're hammering stainless steel, you don't want to use a soft mallet or a soft hammer. So brass, that's a soft metal. You want to make sure you step up to a stainless steel or a steel mallet or a steel hammer of some kind. I'm not saying you need to use something this big. This is 2 pounds. It's a 2-pound mallet. I think I got it at Home Depot or Lowe's, one of those two places. You don't need something this big. And if you do use something this big, you certainly don't need to Hulk smash. Just, gravity. Just let it fall. No sense in smashing it because that could potentially ruin your stamps. And you don't need to get that deep of an impression. If you're using something that's super big and super heavy, then it doesn't take that much force. I think that's it. I think that's kind of all you need to know. Watch my other videos on Is My Stamp Defective so that you can learn about the angle of the stamp and making sure that you're stamping straight up and down. And not all steels are created equal. I use 21 or 22 gauge from stampingblanks.com. Rob and his wife at stampingblanks.com are amazing, and they ship super quickly. They're super affordable, and I love them so much. I can't say enough good things about them. They also have an upgraded stainless steel, which is thicker, and I believe you can stamp on both sides. I've used a few examples of that in some of my work on the Font Fixation's Fabulous Friends page. It was Buddha week, so if you look for some of the Buddha and Zen pieces, you'll probably see some of his thicker, more premium stainless steel there. And I know lots of other stainless steel stampers out there also sell stainless steel, so definitely look for them as well. And I'm trying to be really quick because nobody wants to hear me talk all day, right? Get back to the stamping. So I'm gonna get back to stamping. If you guys have any questions, please leave your questions below and I'll try to answer them quickly and thoroughly. All right, guys, happy stamping. See you later. Oh, I did it again. Okay. Okay, where was I? Okay. So that downward force that you want to apply, you really want that to be a solid surface, which is why I recommend the stamping post.